Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we continue lesson number 6, Food and Shelter of Animals, and we also continue the topic food that animals eat. In this lesson we learn about animals, that which food they are eating, and the shelter of animals, that where they are living. So let's start our today's topic with one beautiful line, that everything comes to you in the right moment. Be patient, be grateful. So we have to wait for our destiny, and whatever happen with us, it happened with the right moment. So be grateful to whatever happened. So let's start our today's topic. So which lesson we learn? Yes, we learn lesson number 6. Now what is the name of this lesson? Food and Shelter of Animals. So in this lesson we learn something new about animals, right? So in lesson number 5 we already learn about different types of animals. So which animals we learn in lesson number 5? We divide animals with different types like birds, insects, small animals, big animals, and animals live in water. So in lesson number 5 we learn that how we identify different types of animals. That animals with 2 legs and 2 wings are birds, animals with 6 legs are insects, and small animals, big animals, and animals live in water. We also learn that some animals are living underwater also and on land also. So what we learn today? We learn today about animals that eat worms and insects. So in this topic we learn something new, that about worms. But before we start today's topic, let's revise that what we learned in previous lecture. So let's start. That what we learned yesterday? We learned yesterday about food of animals and animals that eat plants. So in previous lecture we learned about different types of animals and their food. So let's revise that animal eat plant. So first we learn that which plant animals eat. We learn that they are not eating whole plant. They eat green part of the plant, the leaf of the plant. So green part of the plant animals eat. It is a leaf of the plant. So in previous lecture we learned that animals are roaming in the forest and find their food. So for live and grow, they find their food. They not cook food in kitchen like us. So here is the some picture that plants which animals eat. Some plants are dry and some plants are green. So we also learn that most of the animals are eat green leaf, not fruit of the plant, but many elephant and horse and other animals are also eating fruit of the plant and vegetables also. So that green color part of the plant leaf animals eat. So here we see the picture of some grass. We also called it grass. Then we learned in previous lecture that which animals eat plants. First, we see the examples of eating plants like cow, the green color grass cow eat. So most of the animals are eating grass from the land. They are roaming, and when they find the green color grass, they eat. So we see the example of animals which eat plant or grass, and we also learn that cow eat garbage or waste which we throw on the road. Peels of vegetables, peels of fruit. Then we see that horse is also one of the animal which eat grass or plant. We learn that in cartoon we see that animals eat burgers and pizzas and ice creams, but it is cartoon. In real they are eating plants. So here you can see the picture of horse, which we learned yesterday that horse is eating plant. Dry grass. Then we learn that horse is also eating fruits. So here you can see the farm of orange, and horse also eat gram. We learn that grams are favorite food of horse. Then we see the picture of goat, which we see around our house also. So we see the example of plant eating animal, goat. That goat is eating plant or grass. Then sheep. Sheep is also one of the animal which eating dry grass or green grass. And we also learn that when we see cartoons, they eat pizzas and ice creams. But in real, they are not eating pizza and they are not eating ice cream. So they are eating green grass or plant. Then we learn about giraffe, that giraffe is also eating plants. As we know that giraffe is tallest animal, so they can easily eat leaf of the plant. Then we learn about elephant, that which type of food animal eat elephant. We learn that animal eat grass, and here you see the picture of elephant which is eating grass. So in previous lecture we learned that animal like elephant eat pumpkin, watermelon and banana. We also learned that banana is favorite food of elephant. Elephant also eat coconut. Then we see the picture of elephant eating fruit like watermelon, mango, pineapple, banana, sugarcane also, oranges. So these all type of food elephant eat. So yesterday we learned that animals that eat plant, different types of grass and green leaf. So which animals eat plant? Cow, goat, sheep, elephant, giraffe and horse. We learned that these all elephant eat fruits also and plants also, and other animals are eating grass. The peels of vegetables also eat by animals. So let's start our today's topic. What is the topic? Our today's topic is animals that eat worms and insects. Till now we learn about food which animal eat, seeds and plants. So today we learn that some animals are also eating insects and worms. So now we also learn about insects in lesson number 5. So let's see that what are insects and worms. So we already learned about insects in lesson number 5, that insects are small animals with 6 legs and some with wings. So first we learn about insects and worms. Some animals eat worms. Now when you see the spelling worms, you think in your mind that what are worms. So let's see what are worms. We already see these small, very small animals, but we don't know the name of them. So let's start. Here you can see the picture of worms. Now you can see here that holes in land. So they are come out from the land. So worms are many types. So let's see that here is a different kind of worms. We also called it caterpillar. So here you can see different color, brown, green, yellow and red caterpillars, but we called it worms. So here you can see the picture of worms which you already seen around you. Now how? Let's see that here is a real picture of worms. You can see here earthworms. So why we called it earthworms? Because they are living in land or mud. Generally we see these worms in monsoon. Because of rain they are coming out. So here you can see the mud and the sand is wet. So mostly they are living in land. So here you can see the picture of earthworms. So there are many types of worms, earthworms and green worms and yellow worms and water worms also. So most of the animals are using these to eat. What we called it? Earthworms. So here you can see the spelling of earthworms. Then next, here you again see that they are coming out and going inside the land. So they are making hole inside land and living there. In rainy season they are coming out because of rain. Then here again the real picture of worms. They run very quickly. You cannot catch them. So it's look like snake, but it is not snake because snake is big animal, when earthworm is very small animal. You can see here how they are going one place to other place. They not run straight. Some having legs and some not having legs. So here you can see the other picture of worms, but these are not earthworms. They are different from earthworms. How? Because the color of these worms are green. That's why we called it green worms. So now you can understand that where we see the green worms. Mostly we cannot see earthworm without rain, but we can see green worm in vegetables. So where they are living, green worms, let's see. Here is the some picture of green worms. So you can see here leaf. They are living on leaf. That's why we called it green worms, and the color of these worms also green. So they take food from green leaf. That's why the color of this worm is green. So where we see these green worms, we eat peas, green peas as vegetable, right? Peas is a pulses we eat, but we also eat as vegetable, right? So we mostly see these green worms or green caterpillar in peas. When we open the peels of peas inside, sometimes that green worms are available. So now you can see in second picture on peas seed there is a green worm. So the color of this worm is green. That's why we called it worms, green worms. And the earthworm is living in land. That's why we called it earthworm. So here is green worms. Then yellow worms also available on this earth. So here you can see the yellow worms. All worms are very small. Some are living on trees, some are living in vegetables, and some are living under land. So here you can see the picture of one tree stem, and they are on the stem. So these are yellow worms. Here is some picture that on vegetables, one is cauliflower and second is broccoli. So you can see that how they are hide in vegetables. That's why when we cut the vegetables, our mother is cut very carefully because she know that some worms are in vegetables. So when you cut vegetables, be careful because these worms are on the vegetables. These worms are also in apple and watermelon and many other fruits, on tomatoes also. So you can understand that we have to careful when we learn about worms because we don't know anything about worms. Now let's see which is next topic, that some animals eat insects. Now in which lesson we learn about insects? Yes, in lesson number 5, the world of animals, we learn about insects. So let's revise what we learn about insects. That what are insects? Insects are small animals, very small animals with 6 legs. And we also learn that some insects like butterflies and flies having wings to fly. So now we learn with the picture of cockroach in previous lectures that insects have 6 legs. Some insects like spider have 8 legs also. So here you can see the picture of insects, butterfly, bugs and cockroaches, and here you can see caterpillar or worms. So some scientists consider worms in insects and some are not considered worms in insects. So let's see that which insects we learn, that flies, cockroaches and spider So these all are insects we learn. Now let's see that which animals eat insects. So in this lesson we learn about food of the animals, that which food animals are eating. So which food they are eating? Let's see. First we learn about lizard. So here what did you see on your screen? It's very dangerous animal, right? We see in our house on walls. What is this? Here you can see two. What is this? I know you already know this name. We all have fear of this animal. What is this? Yes, it is lizard. So we see in our house on walls, right? So let's see what lizard eat. Here you can see the real picture. It's look scary, right? So what is this? Here you can see lizard, right? And what lizard eating? Cockroach. So we learn about insect, that cockroach is insect, right? So now you can understand that lizard is eating insects like cockroaches. How? Because lizard have sticky tongue. So with help of this tongue they eat cockroaches. Now let's see how they are catching. Here lizard is eating spider. And very quickly lizard bite spider. Let's see. Here you can see with the help of tongue lizard is catching fly. Right? So now you can understand that how they are eating insects. So some animals like lizard eat insects. So lizard eat insects like spider, flies and cockroaches and many others. So now you can understand they have sticky tongue. That's why they can catch all these insects, because insects are very small. Now which animal it is? Yes, it is frog. And we learn that frog is living on land also and under water also. So here you can see the picture of frog. Now what frog eat? Let's see. Here is frog. Nowadays, because of rainy season, we can see frog. Because of rain, they are coming out. So here you can see frog, and in mouth of frog one insect. So you can see now that frog is also eating insect. Now let's see how frog is catching the insects. So here you can see the picture of frog with help of tongue. Frog catch the insects. So you can see here the tongue of frog is very sticky. So they are eat like that. Now because frog is also living underwater, so you can see here how they are catching them with tongue from water. You can see here the stick of frog also. Now frog eat insect like spider, fly, cockroach and many other. So now you can understand that small animals like lizard and frog eating insects and worms. Now let's see, some insect and worms eat wood and living in wood. Here you can see one insect and the insect make hole in wood. So they are living in wood. Now let's see here that how they are going inside the wood. So now you think that why I am telling you about these insects. So let's see. Here is the stem of the tree, and now first when you see this picture you cannot see the insect on tree. Now I tell you where is the insect. They are living on tree, right? Here is some pictures. You can see they are living in tree stem, and tree stem is made of wood. Here you can see white color. These all are insect. So here is one bird. The name of this bird is woodpecker. Why we called it woodpecker? That we learn today, because this bird woodpecker is use beak and find food from stem of the tree, because the beak of this bird is very sharp. Now let's see. Here you can see the picture of woodpecker on the tree stem. So now you can see here that how woodpecker sharp beak cut the tree, right? So why woodpecker do that? Let's see. Woodpecker eat insects and worms from the wood. Further we learn that some insects and worms are very small and living under wood or tree. So that's why they are taking out this small insect from the wood or stem of the tree. Then here is some birds which are also eating worms and insects. So here you can see in beak of this bird green worms and earthworms. So now you can understand that some birds are also eating worms and insects. So we learn that the earthworms are living in land. So birds like that with big beak, they are taking out the worms from the land. Here you can see sparrow which is eating worms. So birds eat seeds also and eat worms also. Not only sparrow, many birds like crow and owl and many other birds are also eat worms and insects. Here you can see that duck is eating caterpillar or worms. So now you can understand that which birds are eating worms and which animals are eating worms and insects. So what we learn today? We learn today about animals that eating worms and insects. We also learn that what are worms and where they are living. We learn about some insects which are living in wood. So some birds are eating worms from wood like woodpecker. And we also learn that why we called it woodpecker. So I hope you all are understand what we learned today. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.